When it comes to heavy-duty kitchen tasks, a reliable meat cleaver is an absolute essential. Whether you're breaking down a whole chicken, slicing through thick bones, or prepping large cuts of meat, the right cleaver can make all the difference. To help you find a tool that balances durability, sharpness, and comfort, we've rounded up the 5 best meat cleavers available today. Let's dive in and find your next favorite kitchen tool. Number 5, Butcher Knife, 10-inch meat cleaver chef knife with herb stripper, Japanese-style high-carbon steel kitchen knife for chopping slicing, Damascus pattern full tang wood handle ideal for gift. About this item, 2-in-1 blade design, incredibly razor-sharp, full tang, imported high-carbon steel with a hand-polished edge at 15 degrees per side, between the sharpness of a chef knife and a cleaver, integrated blade for chopping and slicing. Minimize accidental cuts. Non-slip gear teeth ensures a steady grip on the knife while slicing, safer to use. Anti-fatigue curvature prevent fingers from accidentally slipping onto the blade. Comes with 3-hole herb stripper to help you speed up meal preparation, quickly and effectively peel the leaves from the stems, such as the leaves of herbs, kale, beet, basil, thyme, rosemary, and other plants. Number 4, Podden Cleaver Knife, ultra-sharp meat cleaver 7-inch, high-carbon stainless steel butcher knife with wooden handle, Chinese cleaver for meat cutting vegetable slicing. About this item, multipurpose cleaver knife. The cleaver is the ideal tool for disjointing cuts, carving thicker meat or heavy ingredients. Our classic 7-inch cleavers also suitable for daily kitchen tasks, like chopping, shredding, slicing, deboning, cutting meat, vegetables and fruits, and flattening garlic. Premium HC stainless steel. Podden meat cleaver is made of high-carbon stainless steel, boasts a Rockwell hardness of 56, which ensures the blade stronger and durable, provides long-lasting sharpness and edge retention. Ultra-sharp blade edge. The meat knife's blade is hand-sharpened by artisans with a 2.3 mm thickness, V-shaped edge has a 16 degrees angle on each side. Number 3, Zeng Jia Dao Meat Cleaver, 7-foot, heavy-duty butcher knife meat chopper bone cutting knife, high-carbon German stainless steel, pear wood handle for home kitchen and restaurant 2025 gifts. About this item, why choose our meat cleaver? 1, very cost-effective. This is a godsend in cutting off the knuckle bone on turkey drumsticks and blade still good after chopping bones. 2, hammer surface for pounding meat or crushing garlic. 3, construction has surprisingly good. Premium high-carbon steel. The blade of cleaver knife is forged from excellent 5cr13 MOV high-carbon stainless steel after many times of manual wet grinding for excellent toughness, edge retention and wear resistance. Its extremely sturdy gemstone and hard material ensure it cut through everything. Number 2, Husk Meat Cleaver Knife, hand-forged butcher knife for meat cutting, full tang Viking knife with sheath, Japanese chef knives for kitchen, outdoor cooking, camping, barbecue, gift for man and women. About this item, a gorgeous Husk cleaver knife. Not only does it have all the qualities you want in a Japanese cooking knife, but also its craftsmanship and style are refreshingly unique. Each Husk meat knife is handcrafted using a 138-step design and sharpened manually by blacksmiths. Sturdy design. Husk meat cleaver is made of premium Japanese steel, and rated at 58 ± 2 HRC for extreme edge retention. Crafted differently than a traditional Western-style kitchen knife, the most noticeable feature is the outrageous thickness of the blade. Ergonomic oak wood handle. Husk forged knife has a solid, sturdy oak handle to securely hold the blade. The handle arc is uniquely designed to tuck into your palm, giving you a firm grasp. Number 1, Cleaver Knife 7-inch, ultra-sharp Japanese high-carbon steel vegetable meat cleaver, multifunction chopper butcher knife for home kitchen and restaurant. About this item, excellent sharp edge. The sharp blade with 15 degrees on each side allows for clean and precise cutting, and the hardness is as high as 58.2 HRC for maximum strength, flexibility, and blade durability. The Chinese chef's knife has been repeatedly polished to present a smooth and delicate surface. Precision forged Japanese steel. This meat cutting knife is made of our specially formulated Japanese 10cr15 Co-MOV stainless steel. This steel not only greatly improves hardness and wear resistance, but also ensures that the blade remains ultra-sharp after long-term use. Ergonomic handle design. The handle of our chef's knife is meticulously crafted for both comfort and control, designed for prolonged use.